Hello students, now we'll start the practice set 3.3, the first example. In figure point G, D, E, F are concyclic points of a circle with center C. Okay, these 4 points D, E, F, G, those 4 points are concyclic, lies on the same circle. Such points are called concyclic points. Okay, with center C. Angle ECF is equal to 70 degree. Measure of arc DGF is equal to 200 degrees. Then find the measure of arc DE and DEF. ठीक है, सर्कल के ऊपर जो है ऐसे 4 पॉइंट्स अपने को गिवन है. एंगल ECF इज इक्वल टू 70 डिग्री एंड DGF इज इक्वल टू 200 डिग्री गिवन है अपने को. DE की मेजर फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, और उसके बाद में DEF का मेजर फाइंड करना है. कल हमने एक थ्योरम देखे थे. यस्टरडे वी हैव स्टडीड वन थ्योरम in a circle. Not theorem. By definition of measure of an arc, that the measure of a minor arc is equal to the measure of its corresponding central angle. Minor arc का जो measure रहेगा, the measure of a minor arc is equal to the measure of its corresponding central angle. minor arc का जो measure रहेगा वो किसके इक्वल रहता है? उसके सेंट्रल एंगल के मेजर इधर अपने को कितना गिवन है? इट इज 70 डिग्री. सो मेजर ऑफ आर्क EF विल बी 70 डिग्री. बराबर है. नाउ मेजर ऑफ आर्क DE प्लस EF प्लस DGF, ऑल दीज थ्री, एडिशन ऑफ दीज थ्री आर्क्स इज इक्वल टू होल सर्कल एंड मेजर ऑफ होल सर्कल इज 360 डिग्रीज. सो बाय यूजिंग दैट प्रॉपर्टी वी कैन फाइंड मेजर ऑफ आर्क DE. फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, क्योंकि तीनों आर्क की एडिशन करेंगे तो होल सर्कल मिलता है और सर्कल का मेजर कितना रहता है? 360 रहता है. उसमें से 2 आर्क का मेजर अपने को मालूम है, थर्ड आर्क का मेजर हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, और उसके बाद में फिर DEF फाइंड करना है बाय आर्क एडिशन प्रॉपर्टी. DE प्लस EF दैट गिव्स DEF, मेजर ऑफ आर्क DEF. ओके, सो वी स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन लाइक दिस. वी स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. सिंस measure of arc EF is equal to measure of angle ECF by definition of measure of arc, by definition of measure of an arc. Okay, and therefore measure of arc EF is equal to 70 degrees. Okay, now measure of arc DGF plus measure of arc DGF plus measure of arc, it is measure of arc DE plus measure of arc EF is equal to 360 degree. Okay, because since measure of a circle is 360 degrees, right? So by that, this DGF plus DE plus EF, sum of all the 3 arcs of this circle is equal to 360 because that covers whole the circle. Okay, now DGF, it is 200 degrees, so it is 200 plus DE we have to find, so we write as it is measure of arc DE plus measure of arc EF is 70 degree is equal to 360 degrees, and therefore measure of arc DE is equal to this 360 degree. Now 200 plus 70, it is 270. On right hand side it comes minus 270 degrees, and 360 minus 270, it is 90 degree, and therefore measure of arc DE is equal to 90 degree. Okay, this is the solution of first. Now second one. Now measure of arc DEF. Measure of arc DEF is nothing but measure of arc DE plus measure of arc EF. Okay, by arc addition property. Arc addition property. Okay, so you will get measure of arc DE, we just calculate, it is 90 degree, plus measure of arc EF, that is 70 degree, is equal to how much? It is 160 degrees. Okay, and therefore measure of arc DEF is equal to 160 degrees. So in this way we have to solve that first example. Okay, now come to second one. In figure, triangle QRS is an equilateral triangle. QRS is equilateral triangle. This QRS is an equilateral triangle. Prove that arc RS is congruent to arc QS is congruent to arc QR. All the three arcs are congruent, that we have to prove. And next one is measure of arc QRS. QRS is equal to 240 degree, that we have to prove. Okay, so we start solution for first. Number one, we have studied one theorem in previous video, that in a circle, if chords are congruent, then their corresponding arcs are congruent. Okay, so we write a statement for that. Since in a circle, if chords are congruent, then their corresponding arcs are congruent. इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में हमने ये थ्योरम देखे, देखो, अगर कॉर्ड्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट रहेंगे तो उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग आर्क्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट रहते हैं. नाउ सिंस ट्राइंगल QRS is an equilateral triangle, and definition of equilateral triangle is, in a triangle, if all the three sides of triangle are congruent, then that triangle is called equilateral triangle, and therefore segment QR is congruent to segment RS is congruent to segment QS. Okay, अगर वो equilateral triangle है तो उसके तीनों sides congruent रहेंगे. And if three sides are congruent and all the three sides forms the chords of a circle, है ना, QR, that is the one chord, RS second chord, and QS is third chord of the circle. So here chords are congruent, then their corresponding arcs are congruent, and therefore arc QR is congruent to arc RS is congruent to arc QS. Okay, this is the solution for first. Now second, we have to find measure of arc QRS is equal to 240 degree. QRS is equal to 240 degree. Now from 1, let measure of arc QR is equal to measure of arc RS is equal to measure of arc QS is equal to x degrees. Okay, but measure of arc QR plus measure of arc RS plus measure of arc QS is equal to 360 degree. The reason is, since measure of a circle is how much? 360 degree, and all the three arcs forms a circle. Okay, so here we'll get x plus x plus x is equal to 360 degree. So you'll get 3x is equal to 360 degree, and therefore x is equal to 360 divided by 3. So you will get 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 0s are 0, and here 3 ones are 3. So you will get x is equal to how much it is? 120 degree. Okay, and therefore measure of arc QR is equal to measure of arc RS is equal to 120 degree, and therefore measure of arc QRS is equal to measure of arc QR plus measure of arc RS is equal to 120 degree plus 120 degree, that is equal to 240 degrees. So that is the measure of arc QRS is equal to 240 degrees. So in this way we have to solve this second example. Okay. The third example from practice set 3.3 is, in figure chord AB is congruent to chord CD. Here chord AB, this whole chord is congruent to chord CD. Then we have to prove that arc AC is congruent to arc BD. That we have to prove. Okay. So we start solution like this here. Since chord AB is congruent to chord CD. Chord AB is congruent to chord CD. Therefore, arc ACB is congruent to arc CBD. We write reason here. Arc corresponding to congruent chords, or directly if you learn that statement that in a circle if chords are congruent then arcs are congruent, that statement also you can write. Okay. Now here two arcs are congruent. That means their measures are equal, and therefore measure of arc ACB is equal to measure of arc CBD. Okay. Say this is equation number 1. But measure of arc ACB is equal to measure of arc AC plus measure of arc CB. Okay. And measure of arc CBD is equal to measure of arc CB plus measure of arc BD. Okay. Say this is equation number 2. So, and therefore from 1 and 2, now measure of arc ACB, but ACB is nothing but measure of arc AC plus measure of arc CB. So in place of this ACB we can write measure of arc AC plus measure of arc CB is equal to measure of arc on right hand side CBD, but CBD is nothing but measure of arc CB plus measure of arc BD. Okay. Now if you observe, then here measure of arc CB is here also measure of arc CB on right hand side, on left hand side with same sign. So this measure of arc ACB and this measure of arc CB get cancelled, and you will get measure of arc AC is equal to measure of arc BD. Right, दोनों का मेजर क्या हो गया, इक्वल हुआ, and therefore we can write arc AC is congruent to arc BD, and that we have to prove. Okay. So in this way we finish here the practice set 3.3. Thank you.